I welcome you for this React Prerequisites for Beginners Part 1 training course. Software Development Alternatives. Parcel. It is a zero configuration build tool for the web application. It combines a great out of the box development experience with a scalable architecture that can take your project from just getting started to massive production application. This is the homepage of Parcel website. Features of Parcel. Zero configuration. Parcel supports many languages and file types out of the box from web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to assets like images, fonts, videos, and more. It has a built-in development server with hot reloading, beautiful error diagnostic, and much more. No configuration needed. Lightning fast. Parcel's JavaScript compiler is written in Rust for native performance. Your code is built in parallel using worker threads, utilizing all of the cores on your machine. Everything is cached, so you never build the same code twice. It is like using watch mode, but even when you restart Parcel. Automatic production optimization. Parcel optimizes your whole application for production automatically. This includes tree shaking and minifying your JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, resizing and optimizing images, content hashing, automatic code splitting, and much more. Ship for any target. Parcel automatically transforms your code for your target environments. From modern and legacy browser support to zero configuration, JSX and TypeScript compilation. Parcel makes it easy to build for any target or many. Scalable. Parcel requires zero configuration to get started. But as your application grows and your build requirements become more complex, it is possible to extend Parcel in just about every way. A simple configuration format and powerful plugin system that is designed from the ground up for performance means Parcel can support projects of any size. Building with a full-featured framework. Next.js is a great place to start a production-ready project. Next.js is a popular, lightweight framework for static and server-rendered application built with React. It comes pre-packaged with features like routing, styling, and server-side rendering, getting your project up and running quickly. The Next.js Foundation tutorial is a great introduction to building with React and Next.js. Popular alternatives: Gatsby, Remix, Razzle. Gatsby. It enables developers to build fast, secure, and powerful websites using a React based framework and innovative data layer that makes integrating different content, APIs, and services into one web experience incredibly simple. Gatsby is a development tool that generates static web pages. Built on top of the React framework, Gatsby uses GraphQL to query data from various sources, including Markdown files, headless CMS, and APIs. The data is then transformed into HTML pages and served by a web server. Gatsby is designed to work with modern front-end tools such as Webpack and Babel, supporting features like hot reloading and server-side rendering. This is the home page of Gatsby website. Gatsby Futures. It is a web development framework that offers a variety of rendering solutions. Additionally, it uses GraphQL, a query language for APIs, to fetch data from any source. Gatsby's focus is on page performance, which is achieved through heavy image optimization, lazy loading, code splitting, and smart preloading of assets. This focus on performance is especially important since faster pages lead to better user experience and improved search engine rankings. Gatsby allows for the easy building of progressive web applications, which are web applications that can work offline and provide a native app-like experience to users. This is a significant benefit as progressive web applications are becoming increasingly popular due to the ease of use and ability to provide a seamless experience across multiple devices. Gatsby integrates easily with almost all headless CMSs, which are content management systems that provide a backend only without any front-end presentation layer. This makes it easy to add Gatsby to an existing CMS-based website or to start a new project from scratch with a CMS that fits your needs. Remix. It is a full-stack web framework that lets you focus on the user interface and work back through web standards to deliver a fast, slick, and resilient user experience. It is a React framework used for server-side rendering, which means that both the backend and the frontend can be made using a single Remix application. It can be used to create both the frontend and the backend of a web application. Data is rendered on the server and served to the client side with minimum JavaScript. Remix is particularly useful when you want to leverage its features such as nested pages, error boundaries, transitions, and support for traditional forms. This is the home page of Remix website. Remix. Remix includes a compiler, ESBuild, a server-side HTTP handler, a server framework, a browser framework. Remix as a compiler for React Router because everything about Remix takes advantage of nested routes. Remix is the view and controller, but it leaves the model up to you. There are a lot of great databases, ORMs, mailers, etc. in the JavaScript ecosystem to fill that space. Remix also has helpers around the Fetch API for cookie and session management. Razzle. Razzle is a tool that abstracts all complex configuration needed for both single page application and server side rendering applications into a single dependency, giving you the awesome developer experience of create React app, but then leaving the rest of your application architectural decisions about frameworks, routing, and data fetching up to you. With this approach, Razzle not only works with React but also Preact, Vue, Svelte, and Angular, and most importantly, whatever comes next. Razzle is a build tool that abstracts away the configuration of Webpack, Babel, and other build tools. It is designed to make it easier to build server rendered React application with zero configuration. Razzle is a great choice for developers who want to build server rendered React applications without having to worry about the configuration of Webpack, Babel, and other build tools. This is the homepage of Razzle website. Razzle Futures. Universal hot module replacement. So both the client and server update whenever you make edits. No annoying restarts necessary. Comes with your favorite ES6 JavaScript goodies. Comes with the same CSS setup as Create React app. Works with React, Preact, and Recent React as well as Angular and Vue if that is your thing. Escape hatches for customization via Babel RC and Razzle.configuration.js. Just test runner setup with the sensible defaults via Razzle test. Single page application mode, build client-side application with Razzle. The next agenda is software development alternatives, custom tool chains, session 1. I thank you for participating in this session and will see you in the next lecture.